Gareth, what a fantastic UK manufacturing story here at Numatic in Somerset. For over 30 years they've been making the Henry vacuum. But you guys have been working with them for a number of years with VISI software. Could you tell me how they embrace the software and how it helps them?
Numatic moved over to VISI about 12 years ago, so they've been working with VISI, using it to support the production line, so they're using it for repairs on the moulds. They changed from a previous software, decided to come with VISI because they liked the all-in-one interface, so they weren't swapping between products. And now they're using it to help design repairs, design some of their new tools. They're using the CAM, the electrode module they use, and this helps them keep the production running, supporting the production line.
So really what they're doing is they're manufacturing all the or the majority of the parts here, but also obviously using the tooling aspect. Why would they not outsource the tooling? Why would they keep it in-house?
I think they keep it in-house because they've got greater control on it, because they're running 24/7. When the machine stops, they need to get up and running. So VISI allows them to quickly modify a part, do a program, get the part out, get the tool running again and back into production.
So really having the benefit of having VISI with the CAD CAM element within it, is that a great benefit to Numatic?
Yes, it's a great benefit for the guys because they've got to learn one user interface, so everything's in one place. VISI is very modular, so they've got the CAD for the design, they've got the CAM for the machining. They've recently purchased the electrode for the electrode design. There's also the flow module for the injection moulding, and there are also potential interest in reverse engineering module, which connects to VISI, which again connects to a Hexagon absolute arm.
Numatic have been manufacturing the Henry vacuum for many years. There's many variations. They produce a number of different products here. Does the flexibility of VISI help them with all their product range?
With the variation in product, they've got approximately 2,000 tools, so VISI allows them the flexibility to maintain those and then keep the production line running.
As I said, this is a great UK manufacturing story. The iconic brands like the Henry vacuum, but for those engineers that may not know Hexagon production software and what you actually represent and what you offer, tell me a little bit about the platform and the portfolio.
Right, with Hexagon production software, we have a large portfolio and we're able to offer the complete workflow from initial design through to CAD, to manufacture, simulation, inspection, even ERP and MRP. So if this is of interest to you, please reach out to us, check the website, ring the offices. We'd be more than happy to come and have a discussion and see how Hexagon Production Software Solutions can help with your manufacturing process.